Odofo Bawumia Kwaba. Who say latest and hot news era me de bro. You be tima ye de aboa me an say we subscribe. So just subscribe ya. But money I say we subscribe. Now while like video no, give us a thumbs up. Dafi share na afoforo so enye bi hwe na wonu hu ensemo a ekoso ewo Aremeyaw Anas. Afi tentemara yemura ye ensemo a abeto yepno so. Yenyinanim a former finance minister Ken Ofori Atta ho na abasep te say ho sem etwagu da de ato Ken Ofori Atta e de say ice migration and custom enforcement na wanisa asodimu infoni bebre ebeto dwa ana trendy ewo social media samfoni ni bi na mede eto asie hodomo ama usuehu the lawyers de krata ebeto abontin ewo chia ice for achero na yenyina ni Ken Ofori Atta abrado finance minister ni mabebre ne course Akufo Addo Bawumia government yenyina ni DDEP domestic debt exchange awon beto Ghana for so haircut amanfo ehwere wane kwa because when sika eso eti ene ade ede nsembebri ebaye national cathedral Ken Ofori Atta Akufo Addo beka kire so enya ade wode aban sika aberem yehu ye na kire Ken Ofori Atta wa fa kire ede aban sika akorebu ensembebri amanfo wane nyuma banking sector clean up yedim nsebe koso ewo krum ha amanfo ehwere wane nyuma na special prosecutor ebe issue red alert pe Ken Ofori Atta chese we dwena kwasha America mamu nti abra ice for Ken Ofori Atta Ghana fo bebre na ebo sese na ice for chidi de kiane ken ye de Ken Ofori Atta beba Ghana mamu ha na wabefisi emran nenu na koye ensem bebre na we na Ivan che innocent ono so edi nano ato ensemnu ma ono so atutu bi de amane Ken Ofori Atta wadan sebdodo na ra edi tentemara yankuti Ivan che innocent said ye ono so de nsem etuja abra or reacted to Ken Ofori Atta ice for ensa asonimu yankuti Ivan nsem odutuja yetiro
when your news they say immigration and customs enforcement in the USA one of ensa kan yewura Ken Ofori Atta ma omo adoa no me ko omo adoa na say omo ache no say nkrata asem wo ne visa wo ni ade na o sekrom no ma ntumembo no ani krom nti sisi when you say news no
I think that was a detention almost by 3 days on that dem you say udwane nyame a wonam na say and when nature is pursuing you you cannot hide and unse abaseya I'm not sure say you will be energy but animguase time say obia will rise to such a higher political prominence the pinnacle you were sitting at the top very powerful untouchable uhu no parliament so therefore no kura na bag our koba and today quickly no are morphing into a fugitive no one the motherland na mama free ha na papa free ha say or your finance minister okroma the krom ontume ma ha adentia because of abrabo bonny or boy and now I'll stay in the visa in America Donald Trump by there is a crackdown on individuals win visa or visa win am ho yeden according and who the lawyers issue statement trying to do their because America is shiao na say who stay illegally according to Donald Trump new you'll be kept at a detention center until niyama bekoye then if possible they will deport you but you see and convey good message because Obia Africa bia Ghana former minister finance minister has been detained and there na oji we say ugu wedimase in this particular way
too bad.
And detention center na Akoto ya kwa yen kasa we former minister na and some of the detention center na Donald Trump and some are inhumane akwa say we ya do shema when obi or prison be what are some Americans so I think that is very embarrassing oba be yi na no and can we be anim and it is very shameful when people sit on TV and seek to justify why Ken Ofori Atta shouldn't come say oba eniso oba this is obi a finance minister of this country I manage the economy of this country every single financial transaction financial engineering be a course within the last 8 years he was there your friend is the master not or signing document, borrowing, and as a form. Obian Kasa Wayabone, you've been accused. And the whole thing is come.
But you are no keke.
And that is it.
But you are no.
John Mahama's government and Abaya your friends a tyrannical because oba you bet found it waka kwashe prison ye ni wasem as a president Akufo Addo Cries nam kroma obi anche no Bawumia nam ha so what is it that people are concluding so oba onya fair hearing ben Ghana is not a banana republic Ken Ofori Atta ba obi enu oba banda no na kwashe prison brana be you are no asem ne say na net here you have your friends access to counsel asem no court na you dinner with the bema at the day you go your way you understand but to say mano if that give credence to the fact
it means a bibi ho
exactly you are guilty
ko bible say akoma emutie ne nsrafo die
yes
anti brana wo se wo ma na Trump so say crampo on this illegal woman and brother say wo share ya Minneapolis Minnesota they shoot a 37-year-old woman bi kwa
yeah clash e koso I don't know he's not backing down on some of this immigration illegal status and to be caught in the center of this whole thing. No? It's really embarrassing. Maybe people don't see. And who quickly his lawyers came up with a statement, so they are working whatever just to ensure say that is the fact. And it's really embarrassing. Sending very terrible signals around. And they're not affirming that near my wife will come say yes, brother, you are fighting the system, and the system now ultimately fighting a you don't have legal status. While spy, your friend is saying Ovesa, what's her? And you know what is the essence? So for me, I think that yes, born be kuma born for, and I know who's so when this whole thing no your friend saying how embarrassing this whole thing sounds. For me, omo mutu no fosa manemano, ono ankasa na mena na otu. Come ankasa Ken Ofori Atta, as long as he stay outside this country, no, ono ankasa na mena na otu, because in the future if you don't come, people are going to make references to the fact that papa be born in Udana kwatena obi man so and okowu obi man so and whole lot of where ebeba. If you know you are not guilty, I'm not sure there is anything that prevents him from coming. So I think that he's ignored and they all deserve one and I'm not sure say anybody can argue otherwise because obaye ebeyi na no ebi akra nka sa niema we nyina you could have come here to renew his visa and then go back, you understand. So this whole thing no are they up to the someone I can amamu no ya de sha wonsa men yes na me wo fasie ni na me nana ni na hwan. You look for quality competent individuals who were tested, tried and tested, your fans say track record. Ken Ofori Atta from day one he demonstrated nothing but sincere incompetence and then some kind of way be say yaba yen use the financial system no na yen get some people out. Look at what he did to Papa Kwesi Indium. Look at how I collapse among for financial businesses all because of this particular gentleman. Now we yes are near my way you are now so remember you are now also nipa ne saying what I say. It's not as if say oh yeah near market near now oh yeah no there were damning long lasting financial consequences and impact on some individuals. Look at Papa Kwesi Indium, a businessman or transforming you into a kaura. I'm not sure so waiting me walking on the street of Accra because I'm for back to Anaka Kojo Musika. But if you are not on the year, I'm his bank was triumphant. Look at the way I first saw a good bank. What I say, but all the financials, even American work, every year banks are coming out with liquidity challenges. But the system not designed. A system say whenever the signs begin to emit, then the state will make sure say entity comes in to absorb you. Sabaya. Your friends a bank and the customers and then as for them but you have the Timorden as for good banks. I know the day we created a mountain of debt in our quest to, take away this bank from the system. Now mine Baba Boka. Now what creating unemployment? Because I say Nyansa Ben what that particular intervention. So for me, I think Ken Ofori Atta there on one amena no to Abrababoni Awabono and one and an Nkofo Shenechi admonishing him not to come. And you deserve one when you know.
Owusu say yedinebeba.
Oh, and I make catch you because you see he bears the moral responsibility. You see, people tend to blame Attorney General and people who are trying to bring him back. Yes, they have a responsibility, but the ultimate responsibility rests on Ken Ofori Atta. As a former finance minister, he holds that moral obligation to the people of this country to come to this country. So that particular thing rested on him. Failure to do so, and among the state, activity other measures and means available just to ensure him, they get him extradited. But I have told you, some of these processes, don't just happen. You have to go through a certain process that has been, your friends, outlined. until you satisfy all the procedure, no, won't even contaminate financial play musa with the neighbor. And those who were making comparison between otchere and boys, no, why yet fraud and then as a form. I keep telling people, so you see, the dynamics are quite different. So over here, American extradition, your friends are treaty with countries, the templates now, yes, and yeah, with the UK, when the UK and Ghana, yeah, UK colony somewhere around 1935. Yes, sign, sir, and near Manuwe, you know. So we have templates now, America didn't we are now. Crimes now, yes, extraditing the panel. Similarities, they are very difficult. Military and your friend is political offenses. And no, it's different from a more committed fraud. Different from Obi Awako Repi Obi. Different from Obi Awako Kunipa. The procedure for such extradition, no, are very easy. Okay. But when it comes to political and military offenses, it's different ball game altogether. It's the reason why the state is going through this hurdle to get him extradited. But when America comes here and they want to extradite these young people who have engaged in economic kind of fraud, it is not political, it is not military of related offenses. So it is very easy to get them extradited because all you have to do is to present an indictment to court. Court to know him now say there are reasonable grounds because I know the day Ghana security authorities any investigation, America now. So if there are reasonable grounds, the court has no other option than to grant it per the treaty. Now, when it comes to political extradition and others, it's a different boy. And Debiana Mekaohe, Julian Asana, your friend saying WikiLeaks or CEO, Echo share, you say Ecuador embassy or UK for how many years? America tried until recently, I think some negotiation went in, and there's Snowden and other people, and there are thousands of examples you can cite when it comes to some of these things. So you see, because the world is very much concerned about political persecution instead of prosecution. So they want to be very sure. Say Nipana, what time na Kwaku dinasem, and yet because of political differences, and yet because they be a time being our time no, anything over fano na mum. Reasons are very cogent, very reasonable. So you need to provide evidence. Reliable. What the court, you know. And when Attorney General said, Ken Ofori Atta your friend is saying good lawyers in the US, you know. People interpreted it to mean say Ebia Osuro. But you see the fact of the matter is say US Federal Court Ken Ofori Atta Asema. Ghana will not even be present to be represented. Ghana, there is no way like Osrontina or can. It was by way of communication because Asemna Yekodino, Ghana buying the US versus Ken Ofori Atta are more based on the indictment presented from the higher court and Omudi. So Ghana lawyers will not be there, the Attorney General will not be there, or Ken Ofori Atta could Osrontina. It was by way of or communicating the US Justice Department through the Federal Court, will analyze in Sammy Ghana for their banner. No one who say, and Sammy de Nina so na any political persecution, na mum, a brantana debony with the crum, and intina yashano. Okay. Now, Ken Ofori Atta, in line with the principles of natural justice, the accused must be heard, wouldn't be Nina Sam and deciding the fate without giving him that chance to be heard. Is the reason why Ken Ofori Atta will have a legal representation. So, no. When your opportunity, I can represent no, but Ghana na we will not be present to defend ourselves. Is the reason why I say the gentleman is determined to prevent his extradition. And wako high big lawyers, defend knowing that Ghana will not be present in that particular way. So it wasn't like he was afraid. It was a way of communicating to people, said this is what is happening. Because after all, Ghana will not go to court in the US to fight Ken Ofori Atta in the court. It is the US Department of Court. Then subsequent to that, in Krano, the State Department will have to exercise final discretion as to whether and I have told you, sir, you go through this whole process. Ken Ofori Atta is somebody who is playing I am sick card. When that particular thing is activated, it pushes you to another realm of human rights. It's a very complicated situation. Okay. So it's not like he's the first person to be blamed before any other person. Yes, I know the special prosecutor is not doing anything. His office, for me, I have advocated several occasions. It's not useful. It's useless. Has to be. But before you blame any of these agencies, you first look at Ken Ofori Atta. As an agent or as somebody who was given the duty to run the finance ministry of this particular country after engaging in a whole lot of reckless, incompetent decisions. I know the day. A man, this particular economy, a fall here to the ground, you know. He owns that particular, and aside that, there were a lot of criminal activities that the guy perpetrated.
Criminal activities?
Oh yes,
like
the cathedral.
Okay.
President Akufo Addo, your friend say, I didn't sakobo mine sikama. I say I'm fan cathedral without parliamentary approval. And Ken Ofori Atta on record, echoed the pen hand into the same consolidated fund, took money for the cathedral project. It was illegal because as a finance minister, you have no right to dip your hand into the consolidated fund without authorization.
And do you think it's without authorization? Who can say we na omampeni na na do dan Kwaku Addo na wonim dada na wonim hoshe?
Oh, na say a state na no more run banana republic autopilot emra nya adwuma. So obi aye de ope. So the president dipped his hand in, no one says what dipping a hand in using state money to do these things. Yantono judges dying to go yen and as a forum. They were just doing things at the behest of their personal twisted emotions and as a forum. A banitima no yeah, without recourse to law, authorization, parliament. They didn't even care about the emotions and the genuine sentiments that were being expressed by Ghanaians. Economy name why then at the time we needed certain intervention, but me put bread and butter on the table for the average Ghanaian. But the government didn't care. They were concerned about Yamkosi asare dan when Yankopon na Yankopon de boni ache. Hana si Yankopon yeah but hasi Yankopon fa boni meche. We are running governance. Yankopon de boni beche a personal level business. What I say? We don't run government say aban fa boni Yankopon fa boni nche. You're born in on the beche. At our personal level, when you go on your knees.
Who told you that was the reason why Charo person?
How can you say Yankopon the Aboni beche na wa vete civil war? The president said that, and some way you know crasem because Cote d'Ivoire, the president for 4 boy at the Oman Sikasi, the largest basilica of Cote d'Ivoire. 20 years and Tokwasi Hono, Asara Energy Omo. What is Asara Energy? And civil war, Sudan, and as a fund. These are most of the countries, aside being Muslims, are highly populated Christian countries. But a Jew woman, one young near my energy woman, Yankopa will not save you. God is a very busy person.
Principle God.
He doesn't have time for this nonsense. And the one woman now could this answer who we think and say, Yankopa will come to your aid. No, Yankopa need a money power in Yansa. He has time for the sensible. That is why they are flourishing and they are advancing. Some don't even believe in God. If you go to Japan, one of the largest atheist community in the world, they believe in they don't believe in God,
but they believe in nature.
Yes, and okwa omanya omo respecting nipa. Omo mokrono udo ofun to baby abekwa ba beto those countries no Asia. Yes, Asia. Yeah, and they respect people. South Korea, even China, within the country, how they treat each other, and then Japan. Roman Abu said these people have a great deal of respect for human beings. Yana etia dabiana nyamibo no. Bonene niamanye ne di okroma say. The nyamia kata ni pani na yedi sabi ensem Ken Ofori Atta ko parliamentar. Bible verses no apam quote as if say your friend say bishop of pope of ase. But ensem hunu na ekoso nyina no. So I think say we need to get serious in this country. Now you making sure say we do the right thing. Ken Ofori Atta adin sabo man sikam. And we want justice for the people of this country. And I keep telling people, sir, after 4 years of this John Mahama administration, people are going to ask, Akonfo no movie isikano, there na wode yomo. That is a simple question. There is no enna bia ya GSika, ya chiawi could do a massive winning for. It's as simple as that. That is the only explanation. So Ghanaians are watching. I think the security, the agencies that are charged with the prosecutorial powers in this particular country, will have to do everything possible to ensure the other related cases of corruption, we deal with it swiftly just to ensure we move to the next chapter. Once again, confidence will return. Because when all these jokers are masquerading around, trying to twist the narrative to make it look like they are being witch hunted. It's very shameful and very embarrassing when we know the scars of their crimes are quite glaring. Utuwania, Boni and Krofo Yadi, and now when Krofo Monam Swat, DDP or Modabai, any pom fast Munyo Kroma. And then people are masquerading running Kojo upon Kroma Nam TV, so shamefully, just trying to inherit this, your friend saying, economic turnaround the now what about the Akomia for 8 good years? If you couldn't implement policies and programs are within the 8 years no what so ababa kokora na the very moment I will hesitate power 6 months after no the dividend that is coming you say we a serious person will make it that
I don't know sir ono ane ne one way can ho na kofa asa gold board in some semi they buy say 214 million Ghana cedis gold board aboka and it's not in the books of gold board, it's in the books of the same BOG and then for I don't know, but it's a momoya amanyo for momoya amanyo sem gold board for instance and per se a kind so kakra na fe betisi His Excellency John Dramani Mahama in 1 year gold board instance we follow
gold board issue no I think you see the government has been running for almost 1 year and goodwill is still there. And so far, the expectations of Ghanaians like economic instability and facing things are really stabilizing. And in terms of corruption and as for there is not much to say. So when this go board thing came, people saw an opportunity. So okay, then let us capitalize on this particular thing and drum home a certain sentiment. Say Abayano is corrupt and I say Yabo Mayaka. When in reality, if you look at the fact available now. That is not the case. Because there is nowhere IMF, as stated, say, gold board, Akoto gold aboka. And so, we see Kojo Kyeremanteng press conference now, he was communicating to the people, say, gold board, Akoto gold aboka. Now, no, beside questions, why not gold boka? That is a lie. And you see, and that is intellectual dishonesty on his part. Because 2022, when Dr. Bawumia came out with this, your friend is saying gold for oil, but my main why that particular policy came. You see, the catcher say Ken Ofori Atta buy a finance, the same Ken Ofori Atta is so. Ken Ofori Atta buy a finance minister. Then he started borrowing foolishly around. We said it because in a year he will go for 2.5 billion, 3 billion euro bond because we had access. The guy was just abusing Ghana's access to the international credit space. And he was foolishly floating. Or borrow Sika. Sika no ba kromano. We could not tell say when he had the
foolish like is it not too high?
No. It's I no cry to 4 ball. Because look at how this particular the people suffered in this particular country and look at the consequences. No. It's just
to put euphemism in.
No. It's a description of how the situation was. It was a very desperate situation. There is no better way to describe the situation than the way
the foolish.
No. That is how he borrowed. Is the reason why the consequences were so the way we saw it. It was like that because Wintibin sorry, Makoba Bosinya. The economy now was so good. The economy is sinking to a point that after borrowing, you go and the international creditor will tell you, so you are lying. The numbers you are putting to us, you are cooking the numbers, and for that matter, you return junk and you're foolish borrowing there. So that is how to justify it. So the thing is, boss Abusian in area, you call credit space in 2022, say Bobosia. And I'm here books no. You guys more credit worthy. Because economy no any good standing say Bosiana mobono muntimi ntua. So they denied us that particular money that particular year. Then because we had no other option. Because now the only source and sika that through that borrowing and borrow no. So there is no money coming. So Abani decided, say mean to me nko abonten nko bobosia there, then what should I do? The maintaining me home to the domestic space. Na Ghana for now, we for sika we investment or banks and then as for no na. Sa sika na men konkova. That is why the DDEP came in. And the amount for mudo musika ma commercial bank, mudo musika come way aye investment in no. That government e borrow sa sika ni nyina. And na time na eda so say won sa beka sika no or renew ye de kwa animu. And nam so man nipa bebre nyomu wo kroma say. And then na merwafo ne nkokrafo kwa demonstration for the first time in this country. So sika na borrow kroma no aye cedis. What are some American? Aye cedis. You need dollar. Then what do you do? Dollar the only source. Cocoa board na never make sika no. Cocoa board no yada kobo bosian boka to the sense that aban no be free so na yede 400,000 tons of cocoa. Yada ka yadi hu sika. So there was no way we were going to get foreign exchange. Then aban say okay, you hear oil, as if if that is the case, then yan shall say the young accumulated gold. Our Bank of Ghana reserve, Sabaya, you bet to me, your reserve, no, you bet you be ho. Now, and I'm saying you need dollar, you de Akoto gold in Tino. You the gold, no, the carbon tin oil, which was a lie. Go what they were doing is our the gold, no carbon tin, or more cotton, not more discount to oil, no more the abba. I know the day when the proper auditing were done. The first year, no, started that particular project, 2023, no, almost 2.15 billion Ghana cedis.
2.15
billion Ghana cedis. Yes. Then the following year, 2024, almost 4.8 billion. Oh, she man will be some. So, Kojo Kyeremanteng Kromas will be a cotton gold aboka. Here now, almost yes, sir, your friends saying G for O, G for your friends saying raise R, no. Na me that 2 years in 2023-2024 almost 7 billion Ghana cedis. That was the whole package. And this are buying by
was it lack of proper management and assessing?
I said they are not even ready to tell people what happened. And I and you see one significant thing I say projects in our way no utie me. Projects in our way no na a policy option yes Makato say na ye foreign exchange. So we needed money to come into the system. Say initiative no they could not bring anything to this particular country to show up the defense the city. It's the reason why city consistently na fall. City fall to the extent that at the end of the year it lost value by almost 27%. So it means that policy drive more the bar say you go for oil, show up the city that particular thing did not succeed. The first year, the second year, because these 2 years, na dollar, ni cedi no, your friends say cedi no, fall in 2023, fall in 2024, and the records are there to show. Yeah. So it is quite funny for Kojo Kyeremanteng to be running around, throwing his weight around. Say they did this, they started. The project they undertook, did not bring any benefit aside say elbow or mine 7 billion Ghana cedis within the 2 years, and then aside that, the policy objective. Just to ensure say you foreign exchange sika no ba kroma say ye ne ba ye ho so no na gold kakra na ye wo no na according to your friend saying Aljazeera investigation no mo ye no kwabrane any aban ka bom esesa ye gold kwabonten koton. They keep the money in an offshore account. That is what they were doing. Is the reason why they could not get money foreign way eba kroma ebetimi stabilize the city. So by the time aban exit power now dollar no nam almost 17 16 and a drop about 15 and sana your friend is saying aban no free so the intervention they brought did not bring any value to the people of this country. Then John Mahama came up with the gold board concept. The gold board concept and they say gold that you produce from your friend saying small scale way over the years per Alistair Matthias and Akufo Addo example no chere say amamfo wia koton sika no kwa emma, and there are other agencies that were responsible for exporting gold. Sika no nipa no koton the gold no the kwa no the sika no ba kroma enti let us come out with a regulation just like the cocoa board. Cocoa board is the only agency that can sell cocoa in this country. We are individual with even for cocoa and ship it is only cocoa board. And the gold no so no yanya sa. Now you're making sure say the money will come back to the central bank. So that was the idea. So it was nothing and this project no more the buy say Akoto gold and as you keep it in a reserve Okay. That was the different thing. So this whole thing say you create a central body. All the gold are free the small scale sector and they are even buying from the larger scale about 9 of the your friends saying large scale mining companies, they buy about 25% of the gold that they produce. Okay. So actually, it's a large scale business. All the golds now will be aggregated and come to a central pool, which is gold board. And then that gold, aside Bank of Ghana, and I'm saying the previous PMMC what initiative been to those that are supposed to go to the reserve will go, and then the chunk of the gold that has been accumulated will go to the international market. To be sold. And then the profit or your friends say the returns will come back to this country in the form of what? Dollars. That is why Sammy Gyamfi is telling you say within this last 8 months he has brought back to this country $10 billion.
Okay.
In the history of this country, I don't remember the last time an agency, an entity in such a short period, it's nearby $10 billion. And when you have forests in excess in that particular regard, I know the day, it means we'll reserve whatever you need per the IMF initiative. The amount of your friends say we reserve, we have exceeded that. Then central bank has a lot of the cash. What do? Then you need to give some to the your friends saying commercial banks, because a $100 you go to the commercial bank. So commercial banks need dollar and the dollar boy the amount for Kwabuchi hono. Okay. So they have it in excess. So what they were doing is they were rather selling the dollar into a moment say a buying this cash we no a carbon and ya cabo. Bank of Ghana and ya charity organization or dollar or ton.
Okay.
So they sell the dollar in excess to the commercial banks, and they take out the cedi or any other valuable equivalent. Bank of Ghana bet me a keepo. Sabaya almost benya access. And when the commercial banks get access to dollars, then it stabilizes the currency.
Okay.
When you go to bank na win beer, and a man boy do and this amount to commercial banks and it will be stable. It's the reason why you see this particular stability. And this stability, abano abwayen ama a car yede wabonting a swati almost 100 billion Ghana cedis because
the car,
oh yes, external component of our debt because see it in dollars. It is a dollar not yaba for ma. See the obesa and sana what they exchange in terms of 15 cedis. Abeka krebi and until your debt to your GDP, I drop it to 45%. A year historical because we anticipated say you may achieve that in somewhere 2035, 2030. But here we are within a short period that has been achieved. So I just said the gold board intervention, even though make the activities of PMMC, but it's a new design, a new arrangement with a new objective altogether. It is not about hoarding gold for reserve or hoarding gold to go and buy gold, but a center of a central pooler, making sure say there is an inflow of forex into this country.
Okay.
And that is the clear objective, and that has been achieved. It's the reason why Fitch, one of the credible rating agencies, projected say Ghana will end this year. You see the number saying, also saying 15.5%, 15.5. Yeah, and they're saying 10.45. That particular projection has been thrown off bar, because there is an inflow of cash into this country because of the intervention that has been set in motion. So,
if I understand you perfectly, the moment gold board ceases to operate,
yes,
we may even go back.
So, once we give that particular mandate to amount for some cotton gold, then amount for gold, because the private person cotton the gold or the Scalaba Ghana, they've created offshore accounts somewhere, and some of the people who buy gold, and your musika, entities and individuals living outside, and borrow amount for they buy, so the money goes directly to them.
Okay.
So one case of resources, but you are not getting anything out of it. You understand? So the gold board intervention is to be there as a central pool, about aggregating all the gold, sell it, and the money comes back to this particular country. And in economy, when money is returned, the forex in a return here, and what to stabilize the economy, because you see, the dollar is a running currency. As long as you don't have it, a creates problem, a shortage will create a problem for you, and you need to intervene. But as long as we have access to forex, the entire call IMF say, so at the time I made describe the situation in China, there was nowhere you been forest will come because international market, you're blacklisted. Wouldn't mean come baby we na bought a brobusian from ECOWAS. I show how dead the situation is. Then we had no other option than to go to IMF for how much? $3 billion. $3 billion. Hoping say it will stabilize the economy. And on time for boom. Or the $375 million, not the amount. Now Ghana kakraka with $275 million in terms of the bad end it couldn't stabilize the economy. So within this 8 years, within this 8 months to 9 months, if a certain $10 billion has been injected into this particular economy, I think that is something that has to be celebrated, and it's the reason why the economy has become stable. And then with the IMF issue now, IMF Jumane said. No more arrangements. This how do you call it? IMF deal na make no. they have a benchmark. Yeah, the amount. Say yeah, the one mawa. They need to make sure say you take all the benchmark normal the amount because IMF person would seek amount. Nobody will know this kind of thing. So this kind of amount not the book at home or take it. So what we know or review Sikano acquire the wire and the overview of the economy. Then they came up with certain remarks say. So we have gold board. The Bank of Ghana interventions now all year selling gold and the way now. Fees are omutiama off-takers and then as a form. Okay, can you know I created a debt of $214 million.
Okay.
And I have told you, sir, if you look at the trajectory, because the policy design wasn't meant for profit, it was meant to stabilize the economy by making sure that you gold no at whatever price, and that is why the spot price came in. Say yeah, you bet me a BT competition because at the time, now there wasn't anything like your friend said that monopoly, an agency never thought. So you have to go there and compete. So you need to pay a proper price in as for them. So these things were in place just to ensure that we have access to the gold. So if you look at the trajectory, because it wasn't a profit oriented kind of initiative in Tino, the government was ready to get the gold, make sure say acquire forest remember so it wasn't profit. But the other side of your gold board operations, and rather you look at the larger economic benefit of it. Sad evidence in Eba. So gold board was never mentioned in the equation, but rather no, and I'm saying our business on the Bank of Ghana and definitely a reference will be made to gold board. But and yet the gold board finances or the you have IMF or the gold board, you have the finances. The business dealings everything with the Bank of Ghana, and it ends there. But because of cheap politics, people quickly to snoop in Sammy Gyamfi because none know your thing. And some people will say, "Oh, I'm people who opposition, the other year, and I'm saying, "What they saying?" He was speaking to fact, and if he says something, gold board na ya the bonia. You can bring it up for us to debate, but you can't just manufacture lies and insert on him say because or ye went yamso ye can be a good so yam fan to my baby. So Kojo Kyeremanteng press conference no. He lied to the people of this country. It's the reason why from day one. So one monitor now. He doesn't do debate. He's avoiding everything. He's avoiding everything. He doesn't want to debate anybody. No. And all he does is on the TV host and a debate. Now on the radio station host on one kasa na church he does because he knows he's carrying a pack of lies on them, and when he's subjected to street proof, he cannot honorable Aremeyaw good animals for one of the platforms. We are not done. You see, me say you have no credibility because the track record at that for the past 8 years I demonstrated quite clearly said the economy was handed to you. You could not come out with any pragmatic measures. It's stabilizing the economy. John Mahama by within 1 year. Some of the signs are quite obvious. And it is not because of anything. It is because of some of these bold initiatives that have been set in motion.
When and some year, Ivan Che Innocent, Edituja, reacted to a Ken Ofori Atta, former finance minister, ICE, Immigration and Custom Enforcement, Wanachina, one editing in Akoye and Sembibri, Ken Ofori Atta and the lawyers Decrata Abeto Abontin. Nano and Ivan so otchere dream afahu awada and semdudu na ra edi. Orofo so nya subscribe ya pomodi and say we subscribe to channel. Na like video no na fi share na ofofro so enye bi hwe na wo and somwa ekoso ewo Ghana memu hanom. Oso betimi otchere wadwen ewo comment box mu. Obetimi nkabium in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.